Yeah, Joel's always talking about the fact that he has to have snap-on tools. He says he's not obsessed with snap-on tools, and he says that it's not a problem. It's becoming a problem for everyone around him. He doesn't even notice anymore. He just constantly has to be using a snap-on tool all the time. Snap on this, snap on that. I'll bet you right now he's using a snap-on tool. I never see him not using a snap-on tool. He's either wearing the hat, wearing the shirt, using the gloves, something. He's always got something snap-on going on. Is he behind me? Anyways, he'll tell you he doesn't, but he does.
I mean, I don't know. I don't know why they always think that Snap-on's here to see me, but you know, like there's other guys with like, you know, big bills and tools and all that kind of stuff. But Jesus Christ. I guess it's Snap-on Wednesday.
Oh, is you on here? Where's
Hey, buddy.
Jordan?
Yeah, I'm here all by myself.
Oh, hey, I saw this the other day.
Well, you saw it in a video.
Yeah, I saw it in a video. Yeah, yeah.
You're not allowed to look at that used box back there.
Is it Bindy's?
No.
Oh, I forgot Bindy's is still in our shop. What is that? Is it Mac?
Yeah, that's another brand.
Oh man, it's got a side cab and everything on
It
it.
got traded in and it's going to a new home.
Oh yeah, cool.
Hurts my soul to have it in here, but
Yeah, you're probably getting a lot of people like, what the fuck is that thing? Archaic. How's it going, Tyler?
that's the light.
Yeah.
Big clamp it onto a hood or whatever. It's got rubber blocks so it doesn't scratch the paint.
Yeah.
Articulating head, 1200 lumens. It also comes with a pistol grip, so you can take this off of here, put it on the pistol grip, use it as a spotlight.
No, that is cool.
Between 3 and 12 hours runtime, depending on whether you have it on high or low.
Right?
Ah,
Yeah, that's cool. I like that. You never have enough lights.
Flush cuts. Our old version of flush cuts in the electronic section, there was an E710 was the part number.
Right.
The tips always got broken off of them, so they got discontinued.
Oh, okay.
They just didn't last. So we've now come out with a new beefier version. This makes a lot of people happy. They've been gone for a while. Same pointy tip instead of the rounded tip that we've had for the last 6 months.
Right.
Slim design. Flush cut.
Yeah, those are nice.
And they come with a little protector so you don't bust
Oh, that's good.
the end of it off when you're
like
storing it.
Part number. What is that? 7. I can't even read it. 778
786 CF.
Oh, there we go. That's cool.
We expanded the range of the stubby ratchet wrenches.
Oh yeah.
No forward reverse lever, just flip it over.
Oh yeah.
So now they go all the way up to
offset.
19 mil.
Where's it start at?
This kit starts at 15.
Oh, okay. Can you get bigger, like a bigger set of that?
Oh yeah, they go down smaller. This is an add-on kit.
Oh, that's a. Oh, okay. Ooh, nice.
And of course, anytime I see something with skulls on it, I think of you.
Oh yeah. I wonder if Snap-on's doing this because of me.
I don't know. That kind of looks like you.
Look at that, eh? It's a blatant ripoff. I'm gonna have to send him send an email from my brand protection department. I like it. Snap-on stickers have always been so cool and collectible.
That's a new kit I just found in the system, so I ordered it up. Didn't know what it was going to be, but
Oh yeah.
that's what showed up.
Were those all in one kit?
Yeah, I ordered a part number and I got
Oh, I see.
a selection of
Right.
stickers.
Gotcha.
Those are the ones with skulls. That,
Cool.
but that one, that really kind
Yeah, look at that,
of.
eh?
No beard, but I'm gonna get a call from the legal department now.
From my legal department.
No, mine. The mothership is watching.
Yeah. I assume they are.
We gave you the run through on the differences for the Thermal Imager Elite compared to the old one.
Yeah. You got a couple on the truck?
I have 4.
You have 4. You should leave one with me
Go
so
big
I
or
can
go home.
leave one with me so I can whether or not I want to trade in or not. We'll talk about numbers.
I can do that.
Okay. It's cool. I
Do
like
your
it.
Review.
Yeah. I like it too.
Because I saw another video of somebody doing it and they did one of those. Don't do that, please.
Why would you do that?
I don't know.
Somebody made a video of that?
They might have dropped it into a bucket of foam chips for all I know.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, but hey,
I mean, it is pretty rubbery. But, I mean, when you're dealing with a $1,500+ tool.
I don't know. They like the mic drop.
Yeah. Yeah, not just a camera drop. Yeah, that's good.
When I laughed in your last video there, you said you felt good because you made me famous.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I mean, come on. We all know who the real star of the show is here, buddy.
Of Snap on Wednesday,
Who's
yes.
made who famous? Yeah, okay. I only one portion. Yeah.
You are the star of the show on Snap on Wednesdays, though. It's definitely not me.
So that's some of the new items that have trickled in. I know you've seen it on the internet already.
Oh yeah.
These old handles coming back in the blue, the yellow, the
Yeah.
purple. Right.
Those are nice too.
Those colors are new.
Do you have a lot of people requesting those handles? I mean, they have to be, right? If they're bringing them out again, in those, especially a bunch of different colors.
Not really. In the beginning, when we first switched to the soft grip,
Yeah.
there was one that was kind of a triangle shape, and that wasn't well received. It didn't last long.
Oh yeah.
There's been several evolutions of it. The new handle, no, people are happy with it.
I love them.
There's the odd person that doesn't like it because they nick it, they gouge up the handle.
That's common. I think a couple of mine are gouged.
So,
But the handles aren't expensive, so if you're really that
No.
nitpicky, I mean, I switched all mine over.
there's the odd person that wants this handle.
Yeah. I have one ratchet like that, and it's a 1/4 inch. It was my dad bought it when I was working at Canadian Tire, and I was like just 19 years old. And then when he went into service managing, he gave me that ratchet. So it was like my first Snap-on
Nice.
ratchet that I got. Yeah.
I showed you that last week.
Yeah.
So yeah, those 3 things, those are the new ones that showed up this week.
Right on.
Well, I'm the thermal imager.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
I look forward to messing around with it. I don't know if there's anything what do I need today. This Mac box is ugly.
Yeah, it's going away. Next stop. It's out here.
Someone's gonna get it though, and they don't think it's ugly.
No, I auctioned it off actually.
Oh, did you? Well, that's all right. The full side cab with the drawers.
I wasn't sure where to price it at.
Yeah.
So I put it on my page and put it up for auction.
Oh, that's all right.
And there was, I don't know, half a dozen guys bidding on it.
It's the way to
So
do
the
it, I
person
guess.
that bought it, he's paying a price that he thinks is fair for it, right?
Cool.
So they're
good way to
dictating
do
it
it.
instead of me.
Yeah, it's a good way to do it, I guess.
I liked it.
Yeah. Right on.
Did you want any of these?
I do want one of them.
Hmm?
I do want one or more of them.
Well, you can have them all. If you like them, I don't.
Cool. Yeah, I think they're all awesome.
All right, well, there you go.
I love snap-on stickers. I have a couple of really old ones. I don't know if I've ever showed you them. I'll show you when we go back in. Cool. Well, I think that's pretty much it for the truck.
That's new too.
Oh, the Apollo. In silver too. Oh, the fuck?
New, not new.
Right.
New on the truck. It's been around with us for a little while now. That's the scan tool version only of a, the Zeus.
Okay.
Because the Zeus is more of a tablet and a lab scope.
Right.
Where
This
this is
doesn't have
just a
lab
scan
scope
tool, but it has the intelligent diagnostics built into it.
Awesome. Sweet.
New clothing flyer for us in Canada. I did put that up on my page.
I saw that. Yeah, you put that up. Cool.
You're inspiring me to get more active in the social media.
Good. Social media is where it's at.
It's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work. It is a lot of work. I admit that. Sometimes it's more work than I thought it would be.
I'm sure. Well, I don't do videos. You do.
Sometimes you feel like you bit off more than you could chew. But whatever.
I do like some of the questions and comments and interaction with people.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. You like Instagram and stuff?
Oh, I haven't made that step yet. I do have an
Instagram's the way to go.
account. I haven't really promoted it. I don't put much on it yet.
No, which is Snappy Tyler Snap. Tyler,
Sure.
Snappy Ty? No.
I wrote it. No, the Instagram is snap1_Tyler.
Snap_Tyler. There you go. If you guys want to follow Tyler, snap_Tyler. There you go. Anyway, guys, we will see you in the shop.
See you, folks. Until next week.
All right, guys, welcome back to Snap-on Tool Review here in the shop. You guys saw the truck stuff. We saw a bunch of new tools today. The new underhood light, the flush cut side cutters, the new handles, the new ratchet wrenches, and the big one, which you didn't see. I do have the Thermal Imager Elite. This one's kind of floppy. I do have the new Thermal Imager Elite. So I am going to be opening up this bad boy in the next day or two, making a video, doing a side-by-side, an actual side-by-side, not the one that I did on the green screen, but that will be in the next couple of days. This thing is so cool, Tyler, and if you guys remember Brandon Ma, he did my Zeus walkthrough. He walked me through the new Thermal Imager, and this thing is badass. It's got way more features than I originally thought it did. So it is super cool. So I'm going to be going through, and Tyler lent it to me. I'm going to have it for a week or two or a week or so, and I'm going to figure out whether or not I want to trade up. So we haven't talked numbers yet as far as trade-in value and all that stuff, but we'll see. We'll see. I did get the new September flyer. I got all 4 of these stickers. I didn't buy any tools today. Other than that, everything's going good. I'm super busy, as you might be able to tell by my bench top here. It's never ending for me. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, Snap-on Collectors on Facebook, and all that social media stuff. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Oh, hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this
And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.